Tip number 1, use a rug in the lounge room. When styling the lounge room, it's really important to use a lot of layers, and a rug is that base layer. It gives us a feeling of warmth and it ties together the furniture pieces. The rug size is a really important consideration. If your room is big, like this one here, you want to have a big rug. Tip number 2, big wall, use big art. So using art of at least 1 metre by 1 metre, otherwise it's going to make the space feel out of proportion. It'll make it feel too big, too empty, or too wide. Tip number 3, change your light bulbs to a cool white bulb to brighten your home. Warm light bulbs give off a dim yellow colour and are used to create a cosy, warm feeling. Cool white bulbs give off a bright white light and are great to increase the feeling of light within the home. Tip number 4, use ice cubes to remove indents in carpet. Place an ice cube into the indent and let it melt. If you're impatient like us, you can use a hairdryer to quicken the process. Once melted, give it a good vacuum with the bristles out on your vacuum. Give it a second time over if the indent is particularly stubborn. Tip number 5, embrace mirrors. Mirrors can easily be substituted for artwork, and at times they provide a better finish than artwork can, particularly when a room feels busy with furniture, colours or textures. Mirrors are great to increase the feeling of light, they soften and feminise a room, and they can make a space feel a lot bigger. Tip number 6, use European pillows on your bed. European pillows or Euro pillows can add a sense of luxury to the bedroom, and due to their extra height, they can act as a bedhead in the absence of one. Tip number 7, use glass top tables to brighten a home. Glass doesn't obstruct your line of sight, so it makes a space feel bigger. It also reflects the light, so it makes the space feel brighter.